Hello everyone! In today's video, we will be talking about the best free 2D architecture software as so many of you requested. As you know, architectural plans and details are very important to architects and designers. And of course, what they actually need after getting the approval of the client is 3D renders and animation. But to materialize this project in reality, the architect needs to draw the entire project in details. For this reason, architects always look for the best 2D drafting software, because doing all that work and generating a huge amount of details for any project is a long process and it takes days and days of work. Some 2D drafting software are really expensive and not everyone can afford them. That's why we will talk about the best free 2D programs in the market that offer the same features as the ones you might pay to use them. These programs are available for students, low-budget architects, and small businesses. So, let's start our countdown with QCAD. QCAD is a free and an open-source program. It is a 2D CAD software, and definitely it helps you produce highly detailed technical drawings. It actually targets a lot of people, and that's because it is available on Mac, Windows, and Linux. QCAD has a user-friendly interface. It is provided with all the necessary details you need for your 2D plans, such as measurements, area, and text. The software offers a lot of useful features, like importing and exporting DXF and DWG files. And I should bring your attention that it has a rich library with over 4,800 CAD objects. With QCAD, you can design a simple or a complex project with organic shapes. You can use this software to produce interior plans, buildings, plans, diagrams, schematics, and even landscape projects. When you use QCAD, you don't have to worry about the file format, since it supports a lot of them, allowing you to have 35 CAD fonts, 24-bit color, and 47 line types. Moving to another great free software, LibreCAD, which is also an open-source software as well as being available on Mac, Windows, and Linux. This great software offers a 2D drafting solution. The interface of the application is developed on the Qt library, which gives you the possibility to customize the appearance of the software easily. This software is fully featured with different 2D tools for design. You can use lines, curves, and different forms to generate your plans. In LibreCAD, you can work with layers, which allows you to select several items and edit them separately. And if you are wondering if it's compatible with other CAD software, let me assure you that it is. You can actually import a file from AutoCAD or QCAD and work on it. The good thing about this software is that it has a strong community service where anyone can join and participate in the development of the software. DraftIT is another 2D drafting CAD software. It has multiple powerful tools to help you in the 2D design process. You can use the metric or imperial system to draw in the software, but unfortunately, it is only available on Windows. DraftIT is designed to be easy for professionals, students, and also hobbyists. The software helps you increase collaboration between different colleagues, and it offers you design analysis, document management, presentation tools, and manufacturing design data. The software is completely free and easy to install. In addition, the software has a dynamic editing function with visual handles and snaps. You can also provide your technical plans with different dimensions, whether it is linear, angular, radial, and arrow dimensions. So if you truly want to know more and learn how to use it, there are multiple tutorials available online to help you in your learning process. And there is also a great helping system in case you have questions or problem with the software. And now, let's talk about another great piece of software that it is already known to be easy to use, and that is SketchUp makes. This amazing software helps you create a 2D based plan for your 3D model. So, in order to switch to 2D in SketchUp, you need to orient your points to the top. You can find it in the View tab. You have the basic tools to use in 2D drafting. You can use the pencil icon to draw lines and the arc to draw curves. You also have the rectangle and the square icon to create forms. Besides that, you can copy, move, rotate your forms, and add colors and texts. However, SketchUp is still very limited in 2D drafting. The level of details is so low compared to other 2D drafting software. The next one is one of the great programs that we have already covered in previous videos. This one is FreeCAD, which offers you the possibility to produce technical drawings. So in order to draw all the technical plans, you need to use the draft workbench that has all the necessary 2D features and tools, which are also offered by other famous 2D CAD software. In this draft workbench, you will find tools to draw lines, polylines, etc. You can also find modification tools like rotate and move. So as to work on 2D drafting, you need to switch to the draft workbench, which is one of the modes that exist in FreeCAD. You also need to configure the grid and the working space for better results. And when it comes to the file format, it actually supports a lot of them. It collaborates pretty well with other CAD software. And above all that, it helps you draw sheet module to create 2D schemas from 3D models and use it in the laser cut process. And for those who are crazy about interior design, we bring you Sweet Home 3D, which is a great software for homes. However, it can also be used to create 2D plans. The software is available on Windows, Mac, and SaaS for free. It can be used by companies as well as individual designers. Besides to designing interiors, Sweet Home 3D can also work on external planning of your house with a great ability to place furniture. The software contains the drag and drop tool sets and a large library full of pre-modeled furniture, components for interior and exterior, as well as lighting. You should put in mind that the software is not very flexible in the design comparing to other software on the market. However, it works well for beginners and simple projects. What about 3D Crafter? Have you ever heard of it? Well, it is also free and open source CAD software. It can be a great solution to get your 2D technical plans. The software has an intuitive interface with a drag and drop system to make the workflow fluid and easy. The great thing about this software is that you can use it in a small scale projects or big ones because the level of details that 3D Crafter offers is really amazing and the precision is also present and well established. The software has a version for Windows only. There are also multiple tutorials to help you get familiar with the software in a short amount of time. And before mentioning the last software, we have to talk about OpenSCAD that can be used to create accurate 2D drafting. It supports multiple file formats like DXF and DWG. It collaborates perfectly with all CAD software, and this is one of the great things about it. OpenSCAD has a lot of useful features in the 2D drafting like grid layer and drawing layers, zoom and pan, basic drawing tools, and basic edit tools. And finally, Solid Edge 2D Drafting. This program is considered a great option for 2D drafting. It was developed by Siemens. Solid Edge 2D Drafting is available for free, and it can accompany you through the whole process of your project, so as to provide the technical documents. This software allows you to collaborate with different team members and increase communication at work. It is compatible with multiple software, including CAD software, and it also supports DXF and DWG files. The software can assure and cover the technical study for big and small projects, offering a lot of useful features that you can find in the most expensive software, but unfortunately, it is only available on Windows. If you are a student, a beginner, or even hobbyist, you don't need to start with an expensive or paid software. All these programs offer a lot of good features that can totally compete with the paid software. The ones that we have included in this list are well rated and can offer good services for users according to the level of details needed and also according to the project needs. We hope that this video was of a great help to you and that you have discovered with us free 2D drafting software. Make sure to leave your comments giving us your thoughts about this video. Thank you for watching.